Never miss a moment for unrivaled quality with the Galaxy S21 series. Portraits have never looked better with our intelligent AI-enhanced camera. In Portrait, take advantage of the many effects and enhance your photos ready to post onto social media. Click on the icon at the top right corner of the preview screen. Add amazing bokeh effects to selfies with blur, studio, and color point. To customize lighting on the subject, you can use Studio, or selectively add color with color point. To personalize the background, select between high key mono and low key mono for a classic black and white look. With Backdrop, the background changes based on the color of your clothing, giving you the perfect studio portrait. Don't forget, all these features are also available with the rear camera, perfect for portraits of friends and family. Nothing is too far away with our Space Zoom feature. Combined with our latest AI-powered image stabilizer, Zoom Lock helps minimize micro shakes, so it's easy to frame your zoom shots without using a tripod. When zooming above 20x, the viewfinder will pop up in the corner of your screen. You'll know when Zoom Lock is activated when the viewfinder is highlighted yellow. Keep steady for a second for Zoom Lock to activate. To manually activate, just tap. Check out the amazing clarity of your space zoom shots. With the Galaxy S21 series, enhance your everyday experience with a camera so good, everyone's a pro.